Intelligence Studio. Do subscribe and like the video.
Look up, what's that in the sky? It's not a bird and it's not a plane, it's an airship, a gentle giant making a comeback. We know them as Zeppelins or Blimps. These airships, once symbols of a bygone era, are captivating our imaginations once more. Why? The answer lies in our changing world and the urgent need for sustainable solutions. Our skies are filled with airplanes, marvels of engineering that connect us across vast distances, yet their reliance on fossil fuels comes at a cost. Climate change is real, and we must explore cleaner alternatives. Airships, with their promise of fuel efficiency and lower emissions, offer a glimmer of hope. Could this be the future of aviation? In the early 20th century, airships ruled the skies. These majestic giants, filled with lighter-than-air gases, promised luxury and adventure. They could cross oceans in style and offered breathtaking views. Passengers marvelled at the world from their luxurious cabins, a far cry from the cramped airplanes of today. But the Golden Age of Airships was short-lived. Technological limitations, the emergence of faster airplanes, and a tragic accident cast a shadow over their future. The Hindenburg Disaster, a fiery catastrophe that shook the world, became synonymous with the perceived dangers of airships. Public confidence plummeted, and the era of airship travel seemed to come to an abrupt end.
How do airships defy gravity? This question has fascinated scientists and engineers for over a century. The answer lies in the principles of buoyancy and the clever use of lighter-than-air gases. Buoyancy is the upward force that keeps objects afloat. It's the same principle that allows boats to float on water and hot air balloons to rise into the sky. When an object is placed in a fluid, it displaces a volume of that fluid. If the weight of the fluid displaced is greater than the weight of the object will float. Airships use large envelopes filled with gases that are lighter than air, such as hydrogen or helium. These gases are less dense than the surrounding air, which creates an upward force that lifts the airship off the ground. The key to an airship's ability to ascend and stay aloft is the density difference between the gas inside the envelope and the air outside. This difference in density generates buoyancy, allowing the airship to rise and hover gracefully in the sky. Think of a balloon filled with helium. It floats because the helium inside is lighter than the air outside. This simple demonstration is a small-scale example of the same principles that allow massive airships to take flight.
In the early days of airship development, hydrogen was the gas of choice. It was readily available, inexpensive, and provided excellent lift. Hydrogen's abundance made it an attractive option for early aeronautical engineers. However, hydrogen came with a critical drawback. It is highly flammable. This posed a significant risk, as any spark or flame could ignite the hydrogen, leading to catastrophic consequences. Helium, on the other hand, is a noble gas and is non-flammable. Although it is more expensive and slightly less buoyant than hydrogen, it offered a much safer alternative for airship operations. The use of helium significantly improved the safety of airships. Modern airships are designed with advanced safety measures and use helium to eliminate the risk of fire, making them a reliable mode of transportation and observation. The tragic Hindenburg disaster caused by a hydrogen fire underscored the critical importance of safety in airship design. This event marked a turning point in the history of airships, leading to a shift towards the use of helium and the development of more stringent safety protocols. Section 4. Overcoming buoyancy challenges. Airships face unique challenges in maintaining their altitude. As they consume fuel or encounter changes in air temperature, their buoyancy can fluctuate.
To address this, engineers developed innovative solutions like ballast systems. These systems use water or sand as weights. By adjusting the amount of ballast, pilots can fine-tune the airship's buoyancy and maintain a stable altitude.
Modern airships are pushing the boundaries even further. Companies like Flying Whales are developing cutting-edge airships that utilize helium's lifting power while incorporating advanced materials and designs. Their innovative approach aims to create a new generation of airships that are safer, more efficient, and capable of carrying heavier loads.
Section 5. Modern airships take flight. Today, a new era of airships is dawning. These majestic giants of the sky are making a comeback, blending advanced technology with the timeless allure of lighter-than-air travel. Companies like Airbus are at the forefront of this resurgence, developing state-of-the-art airships for various applications. From cargo transport to surveillance, these airships are designed to meet the demands of the modern world.
Their innovative designs focus on fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and the ability to transport cargo to remote locations. These airships are not just about moving goods, they represent a sustainable future in aviation. Imagine airships delivering goods to areas with limited infrastructure, providing vital supplies and supporting communities in need. They can reach places that traditional aircraft and ground vehicles cannot, making them invaluable in disaster relief and humanitarian missions.
However, challenges remain in realizing the full commercial potential of airships. Despite their promise, several obstacles must be addressed to make them a mainstream mode of transportation. Helium, the preferred lifting gas, is a finite resource. Its scarcity and rising costs pose significant hurdles for the airship industry. Finding alternative lifting gases or more efficient ways to use helium is crucial. The financial implications of helium scarcity cannot be ignored. As the price of helium continues to rise, it directly impacts the cost-effectiveness of operating airships. Furthermore, airships require specialized infrastructure, including large hangars and handling equipment, which can be expensive to build and maintain. This infrastructure is essential for the safe operation and maintenance of airships. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for the widespread adoption of airships as a viable transportation alternative. With continued innovation and investment, the dream of a new era of airship travel could become a reality, offering a greener and more efficient way to navigate our skies. Section 6. Greener Skies. Ahead, airships and the environment. Airships offer a compelling solution to the environmental concerns plaguing the aviation industry. Their significantly lower fuel consumption translates into a drastically reduced carbon footprint compared to traditional airplanes.
Studies indicate that airships can reduce carbon emissions by up to 80%, making them a significantly greener option for air transportation. This environmental advantage is driving renewed interest in airships as a sustainable alternative for cargo transport and even passenger travel.
Imagine a world where goods are transported across continents not by polluting trucks or fuel-guzzling airplanes, but by silent, graceful airships. This vision, once a distant dream, is becoming increasingly plausible as technology advances and the need for sustainable solutions intensifies.
Section 7. A Sustainable Future. Up in the air. The future of aviation is not just about flying faster or farther, it's about flying smarter and more sustainably. As we look to the skies, we envision a world where our advancements in technology are harmonized with our commitment to preserving the environment. This vision is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality taking shape today. Airships, with their potential for reduced emissions, quieter operation and access to remote areas, offer a glimpse into that future. These majestic vessels glide silently, leaving a minimal carbon footprint, and can reach places that traditional aircraft cannot. Imagine a world where remote communities are connected without the environmental cost of conventional aviation. They remind us that progress doesn't always mean abandoning the past, but rather learning from it and adapting to the challenges of the present. The airships of yesteryear, once symbols of innovation and adventure, are being reimagined with modern technology to meet today's sustainability goals. This blend of old and new showcases our ability to innovate while respecting our history. As we strive for a more sustainable future, let's keep our eyes on the skies. The airships above us are not just vehicles, they are symbols of a new era in aviation. An era where we prioritize the health of our planet while continuing to explore and connect. These airships represent a commitment to a future where technology and nature coexist in harmony. The gentle giants of aviation, once relegated to history books, are poised for a remarkable comeback. Their resurgence is not just about nostalgia, but about recognizing their potential to address modern challenges. By restoring and modernizing these airships, we are embracing a form of travel that is both innovative and environmentally responsible. Their resurgence carries a powerful message. Innovation, coupled with a commitment to environmental responsibility, can elevate us to new heights, literally and figuratively. These airships are designed with cutting-edge technology that minimizes environmental impact while maximizing efficiency. They are a testament to what we can achieve when we prioritize sustainability in our technological advancements. Perhaps the future of travel lies not in conquering the skies, but in gliding through them in harmony with our planet. As we look to the future, let us embrace the potential of airships to transform aviation. By doing so, we can create a world where travel is not just about reaching a destination, but about the journey itself, a journey that respects and preserves the beauty of our planet. The Hindenburg Disaster was an airship accident that occurred on May 6, 1937, in Manchester Township, New Jersey, United States. The German passenger airship LZ-129 Hindenburg caught fire and was destroyed during its attempt to dock with its mooring mast at Naval Air Station Lakehurst. Of the 97 people on board, 36 were killed. The disaster shattered public confidence in the giant, passenger-carrying rigid airship and marked the end of the airship era. As the Hindenburg approached its docking station, the skies were filled with an air of anticipation. This majestic vessel, a symbol of engineering prowess and human ambition, was about to complete yet another transatlantic journey. But in a matter of moments, anticipation turned to horror. The airship, engulfed in flames, descended rapidly, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The cause of the fire remains a subject of debate, but its impact was immediate and profound. The Hindenburg disaster was not just a tragic event, it was a pivotal moment in aviation history. The images of the burning airship, captured by cameras and broadcasted around the world, seared into the collective memory of humanity. It served as a stark reminder of the risks associated with pioneering new technologies and the importance of safety in aviation. In the aftermath of the disaster, the public's faith in airships was irrevocably damaged. The once promising future of these gentle giants was overshadowed by the haunting images of the Hindenburg's fiery demise. Governments and companies shifted their focus to airplanes which, despite their own risks, offered a different path forward for aviation. Yet, as we reflect on this dark chapter, it is essential to remember that innovation often comes with setbacks. The lessons learned from the Hindenburg disaster have paved the way for advancements in safety and technology. Today, as we revisit the concept of airships with modern innovations, we do so with a deeper understanding of both their potential and their pitfalls. The Hindenburg disaster stands as a solemn chapter in the story of aviation. It is a reminder of the fragility of human endeavour and the resilience of the human spirit. As we look to the future and the resurgence of airships, we carry with us the lessons of the past, ensuring that the mistakes of yesterday guide the innovations of tomorrow. In honouring the memory of those lost in the Hindenburg disaster, we reaffirm our commitment to safer, more sustainable aviation. The airships of today and tomorrow are built on the foundations of history, combining the dreams of the past with the realities of the present. As we continue to explore the skies, we do so with a renewed sense of purpose and a dedication to progress that respects the lessons of history. Following the tragic end of the Hindenburg, the role of airships in aviation seemed destined for the history books. However, as World War II erupted, these gentle giants found a new purpose in the theatres of war. Airships were repurposed for various military applications, including reconnaissance, anti-submarine warfare, and as barrage balloons. The United States Navy operated a fleet of airships that patrolled the vast expanses of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. These airborne sentinels provided early warning of enemy ships and submarines, a critical element in the defense strategy of the United States and its allies. Images of these airships floating above the waters, their massive silhouettes casting shadows over the waves, evoke a sense of both nostalgia and awe. They were a blending of old-world technology with the necessities of modern warfare. In the battle against submarines, airships demonstrated their value by detecting enemy vessels from the sky, a perspective that surface ships could not achieve. Their presence deterred enemy submarines from surfacing and attacking Allied convoys, contributing to the safety of countless ships and lives. Despite their size, these airships were surprisingly agile, able to hover and maneuver in ways that provided strategic advantages. They could stay aloft for extended periods, covering vast areas of ocean that would have been impossible for other aircraft of the time. The use of airships in World War II was not without its challenges. The threat of enemy aircraft and the harsh weather conditions of the open sea tested the limits of these vessels and their crews. Yet their contributions were undeniable. As the war progressed, the role of airships began to diminish with advancements in radar and the development of more sophisticated aircraft. However, their legacy in World War II remains a testament to their versatility and the ingenuity of those who adapted them for military use. The story of airships in World War II is a chapter of resilience and reinvention. It highlights how, even in times of adversity, human creativity can repurpose old technologies for new challenges. As we reflect on the role of airships during this tumultuous period, we honour the efforts of those who served aboard them and the strategic impact they had on the outcome of the war. Their service ensured that these gentle giants of the sky would not be forgotten, but rather celebrated as a unique and vital part of aviation history. The Goodyear Blimp is one of the most recognizable airships in the world. Since its first flight in 1925, the Goodyear Blimp has become an American icon, appearing at major sporting events, parades and other public gatherings. The blimp is used for advertising, broadcasting and as a goodwill ambassador for the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company. Throughout the decades, the Goodyear Blimp has been a symbol of innovation and endurance. In an era where technology rapidly evolves, this airship has managed to stay relevant, captivating audiences with its graceful presence in the skies. Images of the Goodyear Blimp hovering over packed stadiums, its giant envelope adorned with the iconic blue and yellow logo, evoke a sense of excitement and nostalgia. For many, the sight of the blimp signals the start of a major event, be it the Super Bowl, the Rose Parade, or a NASCAR race. Beyond its role in entertainment, the Goodyear Blimp has also played a part in humanitarian efforts. It has been used to deliver messages of hope and solidarity during times of crisis, showcasing the versatility and enduring appeal of airships. The technology behind the Goodyear Blimp has evolved over the years. Modern versions of the blimp are equipped with advanced avionics and control systems, allowing for greater precision and safety in flight. These improvements ensure that the blimp remains a reliable and effective platform for aerial broadcasting and advertising. As we look to the future, the Goodyear Blimp continues to inspire new generations of aviation enthusiasts. Its legacy is a testament to the enduring appeal of airships and their unique place in the history of flight. The Goodyear Blimp is more than just a floating billboard. It is a symbol of American ingenuity and resilience. It reminds us of a time when airships were the giants of the sky and continues to capture our imagination with every flight. In a world that often seems to be moving too fast, the Goodyear Blimp offers a moment of reflection and wonder. It invites us to look up and remember that sometimes the most remarkable things are those that have been with us the longest. As the Goodyear Blimp glides gracefully through the air, it carries with it nearly a century of history and a promise of many more adventures to come. It stands as a beacon of tradition and progress, an enduring icon in the ever-changing landscape of aviation. So the next time you see the Goodyear Blimp soaring above, take a moment to appreciate its storied past and the countless memories it has created for people around the world. The Goodyear Blimp truly is an American icon, a gentle giant that continues to touch the hearts and minds of all who see it. In recent years, there has been a renewed interest in airships as a sustainable and efficient mode of transportation. Companies like Hybrid Air Vehicles and Lockheed Martin are developing modern airships that can be used for cargo transport, surveillance, and even passenger travel. These new airships are designed to be more environmentally friendly and cost-effective than traditional aircraft. Images and videos of sleek modern airships taking off, cruising over landscapes, and docking at futuristic terminals illustrate the advancements in design and technology. Hybrid air vehicles, The creators of the Airlander 10 have focused on creating an airship that combines the best of airplane and airship technologies, leading to a hybrid aircraft that is both versatile and eco-friendly. Lockheed Martin, on the other hand, has developed the LMH-1, an innovative airship designed for heavy lifting and remote area operations. This airship can carry up to 21 tons of cargo, making it ideal for transporting goods to hard-to-reach locations. The environmental benefits of these modern airships are significant. They produce lower emissions compared to traditional aircraft and have a much smaller carbon footprint. This makes them an attractive option for companies looking to reduce their environmental impact. In addition to cargo transport, modern airships are being explored for their potential in surveillance and reconnaissance. Their ability to hover for extended periods and cover large areas makes them valuable assets for monitoring wildlife, border security, and disaster response. The revival of airships also opens up new possibilities for passenger travel. Imagine a future where you can take a leisurely flight on an airship, enjoying panoramic views of the landscape below without the noise and turbulence of a traditional airplane. As technology continues to advance, the potential applications for airships are expanding. From luxury travel experiences to essential logistical support in remote areas, modern airships are poised to become an integral part of the transportation ecosystem. The resurgence of interest in airships is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to innovate while respecting the environment. These gentle giants of the sky are once again capturing the imagination of people around the world, offering a glimpse into a future where sustainable and efficient air travel is a reality. The modern revival of airships represents a bridge between the past and the future, combining the timeless elegance of these floating marvels with cutting-edge technology and environmental consciousness. As we look to the skies, we can be hopeful that airships will play a significant role in shaping a more sustainable world. So, keep an eye on the horizon because the airships of tomorrow are already on their way, ready to redefine the way we think about air travel and transportation. In times of crisis, the need for swift and effective disaster relief is paramount. Airships, with their unique capabilities, are emerging as a crucial tool in humanitarian efforts. Imagine a scenario where a natural disaster strikes a remote area, cutting off access to traditional forms of transportation. Roads are impassable and airports are out of commission. This is where airships shine. Their ability to hover, take off and land vertically means they can reach areas where other aircraft cannot. Images and video footage show airships gracefully descending into devastated regions, bringing hope and relief to those in need. One of the greatest advantages of airships in disaster relief is their cargo capacity. They can transport large quantities of supplies, food, water, medical equipment and shelter materials directly to the affected areas. This is critical in the immediate aftermath of a disaster when time is of the essence. Visuals show airships being loaded with essential goods, highlighting their versatility and efficiency. Another key benefit is the ability of airships to serve as mobile command centers. Their spacious interiors can be outfitted with communication equipment, medical facilities and coordination hubs, allowing for on-the-ground decision-making and support. In video clips, we see airships serving as lifelines, their presence bringing a sense of calm and structure to chaotic situations. Airships are also environmentally friendly. Their low emissions and minimal fuel consumption make them a sustainable option for disaster relief, aligning with the growing emphasis on eco-friendly solutions. Footage of airships in action underscores their potential to reduce the carbon footprint of humanitarian missions, a critical consideration in our changing world. As technology continues to advance, the role of airships in disaster relief will likely expand. From delivering aid to remote locations to serving as mobile hospitals and command centers, their versatility and efficiency are unmatched. The future of disaster relief may very well be up in the air, carried by these gentle giants. In a world where natural disasters are becoming increasingly frequent and severe, airships offer a beacon of hope. They represent a blend of innovation and compassion, providing a lifeline to those in dire need. As we look to the skies, we can be confident that airships will play a pivotal role in building a more resilient and responsive disaster relief framework. So, next time you see an airship, remember its potential to change lives, to save lives, and to bring hope where it's needed most. As we look to the skies and beyond, the future of airships may extend into the vast expanse of space. Researchers and scientists are exploring the groundbreaking possibility of using airships for space exploration, particularly for missions to planets with thick atmospheres like Venus and Titan. Imagine a colossal airship navigating through the dense atmosphere of Venus, collecting data and transmitting it back to Earth. Visuals show concept art of futuristic airships floating above Venus's clouds, their sleek designs capturing the imagination. These airships could play a crucial role in studying the atmospheres and surfaces of these planets, providing invaluable data that could pave the way for future manned missions. The unique capabilities of airships, such as their ability to hover and maneuver with precision, make them an exciting prospect for the future of space exploration. Video clips of airships in Earth's atmosphere transition to animations of them in extraterrestrial environments, highlighting their potential versatility. Furthermore, airships could serve as mobile research stations, equipped with advanced scientific instruments to analyze atmospheric conditions, geological formations, and even potential signs of life. Footage of scientists working inside airships, combined with animations of data collection, emphasizes their role as floating laboratories. In the vast, unexplored regions of space, where traditional spacecraft may struggle, airships offer a unique solution. Their ability to remain stationary over specific areas for extended periods allows for detailed and comprehensive studies, something that rovers and satellites might not achieve as effectively. As technology continues to advance, the vision of airships in space becomes increasingly feasible. Innovations in materials, propulsion systems, and life support technologies are bringing us closer to making this vision a reality. Video clips of cutting-edge research and development projects offer a glimpse into the future of airship technology. The future of airships is not just about exploring our own planet, it's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. As we reach for the stars, airships could be the vessels that carry us further than we've ever gone before. Visuals of airships transitioning from Earth's atmosphere to the cosmos, symbolizing this leap into the future, bring the narrative to a grand conclusion. In this new era of space exploration, airships represent the fusion of innovation, curiosity, and the enduring human spirit of adventure. As we dream of new worlds and new discoveries, the sky is no longer the limit.